I'm pleased to now introduce graduate speaker Diana Sobiology Etimbasi to speak on behalf of our graduates.
Thank you. Registrar, distinguished guests, families and friends, and my fellow graduates. I stand here today with deep gratitude and perhaps some surprise as the quiet one in class, honored to speak on behalf of us all. In 2014, after completing an MSc in public health here at Brooks, my plan was simple: return to Nigeria and later come back to pursue a PhD. But life had other plans. On February 14th, 2015, while the world celebrated love, I lost my mother and biggest cheerleader in circumstances too difficult to put into words. That loss birthed my why. So I returned with a deep sense of purpose, not just to study mental health nursing, but to honor her memory. Every assignment, placement, and sleepless night became a quiet commitment to make it count. The nursing program demanded academic excellence, emotional resilience, and professional growth. For international students like me, those demands were doubled. Navigating a new system, culture, and uncertainty far from home. We left behind familiarity, careers, and comfort. We faced culture shock, financial strain, shifting immigration policies, and loneliness. Tuition was high, but the opportunity cost was even greater. Many nights, we cried alone and questioned everything, yet we showed up. That kind of strength may not be loud, but it matters. Thank you to Brooks for recognizing these challenges, offering meaningful academic and pastoral support, and creating a space where international students felt seen and heard. Our journey as a cohort held both sorrow and joy. We mourned a colleague, but we also welcomed new life, including triplets. Many of us studied as mature students, balancing family, work, and life. But with discipline and purpose, we made it through. We've cried, we've laughed, and today we celebrate. To every family and friend here present, this moment is one of shared triumph. To my husband, thank you for your patience, love, and sacrifices. To my children, this achievement is for you. I hope it shows you that no matter your stage in life, your dreams are valid. To my father and lifelong academic role model, thank you for your positive influence. And to my academic advisor, thank you for holding my hand through it all. The academic, personal, and professional relationships we've built here will continue to inspire us. Through them, Brooks will always be a part of our journey. We've worked hard and it's been worth it. Today, we don't just graduate, we rise confident and ready for what lies ahead. Congratulations, class of 2025. We made it. Thank you.